please help me. My ex, I'll pay you 2 million if you can.
What do you need?
2 million. I just want you to be like my boyfriend. Just
okay,
pretend like my boyfriend.
Like
I don't know of this car.
Yes, I'm done.
Alright, I just want you to be like my boyfriend. Just
how much do you say you want to pay?
I'll give you 2 million. You don't have to ask, okay? I'll give you 2 million. I'll pay you 2 million.
No problem.
Okay, just pretend as
just do it as if you are my girlfriend.
Yeah.
Can give me a peg, baby.
Alright, look at him. Look at him. That's my ex. That's my ex.
I did not see him.
Yes, him. He's coming over.
You mean this one?
Yeah. That's my ex. Yeah. So, baby, how you doing? Look at you. 4 years you are doing Yahoo. 4 years you cannot afford anything. Just this one, I just met him. And look at his car. Baby, why are you doing like this now? Why are you behaving like this? Come on.
So is that what you have been doing?
Sorry, sir.
Why are you behaving like this now?
This is my boss. Come for there. Okay,
happening?
Musa, is that what you have been doing with?
No, sir.
Musa?
Baby.
No, sir. Don't like you to be like a bata Mikey. Like you to Mikey. Okay, she goes. I
said get out. I said get out.
Kita mama na jika shemu Mikey ne. Ina ci abinci.